What's up, guys? Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? It's another day to move the market. Tell me, guys. Do we have any traders that have looked at their charts today? The week is still moving, and we all know trading is a skill that you develop over time. So the more you get fully locked in the market, the better you're getting. Your skill is getting refined because I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC charts. So let's see if we can get any moves already. Tell me, how has your day been, guys? Tell me, how has your day been? Do you have any traders that have locked in some moves? Tonight we are going to be locking in those crazy moves with no excuses, just moving the market. Oh. Jade, good to see ya. France, good to have you. Traders, tell me, do you have any traders that locked in some profits? I don't want to ask the other question, but do you have any traders that blew their accounts? Caroline, good to see ya. Emmanuel, good to have you. Shinawi, how have you spent your days today, traders? I had a simple day today. Yeah, simple day. I kept everything locked in. And I know we are going to be getting a crazy night. Yes, no. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn, guys. So feel free to also ask any trading question. We are also here to catch up. Share with me how your session was today. Now, Charles, good to see ya. Mohammed, you love me. Are you serious? Anyways, much love from here too, guys. I love you so much. And I love all traders that lock in every day, because trading, it's a skill. The more you're really showing up consistently, believe me, the better you're going to get at trading. Do it every day. Repetition produces mastery. That's one thing you should know. So the more you keep on locking in, the more you keep doing it, you're going to find yourself getting better. This is a trading assembly. While you're here, focus on asking trading questions, because why not? We are here to learn and also catch up as traders. The indicator you're looking at the chart, the blue line, it's called in a channel. But whenever I'm executing, my trades are not only based on the indicator, I also back it up with price action. So let us first lock in these buys, guys. All right. Our traders locked in a plus. You can see by looking at market structure, the market is bullish. I'm so bullish tonight. Let me add more buys because I want to cruise with this trend. Now, Guys, tell me, how has your day been? How has your trading day been? Market structure is still bullish. And until the market pulls back and takes out the most recent low, that's when I'm going to shift my bias to a bearish market. But currently, I'm still anticipating more of a bullish trend, unless we see a market structure take. Oh my goodness, buyers are coming for my entry. Dang. Dream, good to see ya. All right, I see that. I see that. But guys, you know my take on demo accounts. Nothing to you. Far away, far away. Because we all know trading, the most thing that affects us as traders is market psychology. And I believe if you're really trading on a demo account, you cannot build psychology. Nolan, good to see ya. Guys, I'm okay. I'm okay, and so far the market is moving well. It's giving me some clear structure. Yeah, honestly, it's giving me clear structure. Oh my goodness. Buyers have invalidated my sales here. Oh my god. Let us look for more entries. Tell me, traders, how has your day been? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? I am struggling. I'm trying hard, but not able to reach results. Don't try so hard. Maybe we start from there. Oh my god. What really happened here? Faisal, don't try. You know, when it comes to trading, especially your strategy, try not to keep it so complicated. And if you're really struggling, then try to be practicing a single thing at one time. Wake up one day. You all know my strategy is simple. It is price action. And when I was still in my learning stages, I had a phase where I would just spend a whole week when I'm just practicing market structure, just to get the right market structure. Because when we talk about market structure, everyone knows what market structure means. But now, as a trader who wants to see results, you shouldn't just focus on just knowing market structure. It's about focusing on knowing the valid market structure. Because when it comes to trading and making entries, one thing that should stand out for you, it is knowing that you have to be taking everything based on valid points. So all you have to do is first practicing a single thing, and if you have mastered it, then move on to the next thing. And especially if you are in your learning phase, I feel like it should be more about learning than results, because once you learn trading, results are going to be showing up automatically. Of course, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be trying out or testing out real account. You can be doing it, but not risking so big, but focused more on building market discipline. Because without market discipline, even with the best strategy, it may be hard. Oh my goodness, that really played me so hard. So hard. Damn. Casper, I'm okay. Dream your own demo accounts because you got tired of buying real accounts. Banning real accounts. I also get that phase. I also understand that phase. To be honest, I don't think there isn't any trader that has never blown any account. And to be even more specific, it is more than one. Yeah, blowing accounts is part of trading, but you have to get to a point where you have to decide to be really disciplined, because blowing accounts, honestly, most of the time it comes from traders being not practicing a certain level of market discipline. So all you need to do is to just wake up and decide that I'm gonna be a disciplined trader, and try to focus on that discipline you're trying to build yourself as a trader. Great, so that's true. Discipline is a must. Is a must. When I'm with you, really, damn. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. My strategy is simple. It is price action. So all my entries are based on that. All my entries are based on price action strategy. Alexander, good to see ya. What should we learn to be a great trader? just just learn. I mean, it's about getting that strategy, it's about building market discipline, and it's also about having a solid risk management plan. So all you have to do as a trader is to just fully lock in all those aspects, because you could be disciplined but without a good strategy, still still trading may be hard. Same with, you could be with a very good strategy, and still if you don't have market discipline, you're gonna be taken out. Still, that doesn't make you a good trader. So you have to have a balance of all. And you all know, without risk management, you may not last longer in the markets because you may lack capital to trade. And without capital to trade, I mean, you get locked out, as others are still locked in. Let us get these sales. Yes, guys, the indicators also play a role. They just help me with more confirmations. We all know when it comes to trading, we trade confirmations. So the more confirmations you have, the better your entries are going to be. So when it comes to the indicator, the thing I always look out for, it is breakouts, either to the top side of the indicator or to the downside of the indicator. If you see a breakout to the downside of the indicator, you anticipate sellers in the market, and with price action as your strategy, you would want to see market structure shifting bearish for you to start taking sell trades. Same with seeing a breakout to the top side. You anticipate buyers in the market, but you'd want to see market structure or a candlestick pattern proving that buyers are actually shifted to a bullish momentum. Twin, where have you been? What are you looking for on the chart to take a trade? All right, I got you. I got you, Charlie. Basically, whatever I'm looking out for, it is a few things. But one thing you should know as a trader, whenever you look at your charts, you should ask yourself this question: where is the market most likely to head? Does the market structure confirm that I'm in this kind of market? If it does, you want to see the market, you look at the candlesticks. Are they confirming a reversal? Are they confirming momentum from us, from either buyers and sellers? If you're able to ask yourself those questions and you answer them, then you can easily get an entry. So me, whenever I'm looking at the charts, the first thing I consider is understanding the market I'm in. Let us secure these sales here. Let us first secure these sales. Body to body, skin to skin. Made for me. Jeremiah, good to see ya. Serene, good to see ya. Carl, good to have you. When it comes to trading, guys, I always tell you have to pick time frames that suit your trading and personal lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, it's a personal thing. When it comes to trading, it's something personal. So you have to do what suits your style. If you're comfortable trading 1 minute, trade 1 minute. Oh my goodness, buyers have played me here. Damn. Risk management, do you prefer? I prefer risking small. I prefer not putting a lot of pressure on my account. Honestly, that is the biggest risk management I always stand for, because I know myself and I know where I come from when it comes to risk management. By the time I concluded on that and I went so hard on myself on that, I had really had enough. You know, when it comes to trading, there's that phase where you're tired of not being a disciplined trader. So when I had reached that phase, that's when I had to build better risk management to help me survive in these markets. So one of the risk management plans I have, it is risking small no matter what, not putting a lot of pressure on your account, because either way it is my account, not anyone's account. So I do whatever I want with it. And that means I would want to really be risking small, and I watch my account grow, and as it grows, I can increase risk after that. Let us first sell this market again and see how it goes. What is today's target, guys? I do not set daily targets. Like I told you, this is also part of my risk management and part of having a better trading psychology. Whenever the times I would set daily targets, I would find myself putting a lot of pressure on my account and myself trading and under a lot of pressure trying to hit the daily target. So after evaluating, I realized I'm better off setting either weekly targets or monthly targets. Daily targets, I'm out of it. I'm out of it. And that can also help you so much with your risk management. Yeah, don't. Okay, this is from my own view as a trader. I wouldn't really encourage anyone to be setting daily targets, to be honest. You're going to find yourself putting a lot of pressure on your account, just trying to hit a target, compared to when you just have, for example, a weekly target. Because when it comes to weekly targets, it is easier for you to know that maybe today I'm not doing well, but I can try again tomorrow. Benediction. Watching the stream with my girlfriend. I mean, I'm glad you guys are locked in. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. Is she a trader, Alexander? So if you don't set daily, do you stop trading for that day? By the way, guys, one thing I can tell you, when you decide to become a trader, you should also build discipline around trading. The same way guys be having normal discipline in their other forms of business and everything, it's the same with trading. You have to set up, you should build discipline based on that. I mean, you cannot trade for the whole day, but if you want to trade for the whole day, that is still part of your discipline. I mean, you can wake up and decide that I'm going to be trading the whole day, but personally, I cannot do the whole day. I prefer to just pick a particular session, then I trade for that time. When I'm done, I move on to other things. It's just all about building discipline and having a certain level of consistency that you know if I'm going to be trading this time, I'm going to be consistent with that trading time, consistent with my time frames, consistent with my trading strategy, consistent with my entry models, consistent with my risk management, consistent with everything. Mohammed, good to see ya. Joshua, good to have you. Oh, that's nice, Alexander. That's really nice. So you guys are gonna get locked in together. That's really great. All right, buyers are really building for us some good market structure. And we all know when it comes to price action, market structure is really important. It's one aspect that you should know when it comes to your trading because it's going to be showing you the turning points in the market. So this is a pullback trade. So let's see how it goes. I'm taking a pullback entry here. How do you handle trading when the market is moving sideways in a tight range? Honestly, honestly, one thing I would really encourage traders, it's if you are in a sideways market, you have two options. Oh my goodness. I can see guys you're doing it. You're already putting in those donations. So the best way you can do, guys, when it comes to a sideways market, if I'm on a certain pair and it is consolidating, I would advise you, because this is what I always do. I normally just check out other pairs to see which ones are really trending or they are really moving in a way that makes sense. And it is easier to trade because consolidating markets are crazy. When I was starting out to trade, there were most of my losses, they came out. I made them when I was trying to really trade a consolidating market. But still, that doesn't mean a consolidating market you cannot trade it. One thing, honey. So whenever you are in a consolidating market, one thing you should first do is to map out the zones the market is trading in between, because we all know a sideways market is trading in between a particular zone. So after knowing that it is bouncing between this and this, then you make sure you buy the low of that zone and you sell the high of that zone. But still, even if you're going to just be doing that, I expect you, or what you should do as a trader, is to open only buy trades when you get a bullish confirmation, like a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern at the bottom of that zone in a consolidating market. And the opposite is true for taking sales in a consolidating market. You would want to take the sales at the top of the zone the market is trading in between, but still you would want to take that sell when you see a seller's confirmation, like an engulfing candlestick pattern or a bearish pin bar or any candles that are showing bearish momentum. Then you take those sales from that zone. Whether I'm gonna be your wife and get you back. But I'm gonna get you back. How would you? Oh, how do you handle the emotional urge to revenge trade after a close loss? Honestly, when it comes to the psychology part of the market, one thing I can tell you is it comes with time, because the first thing you should always work on is understanding how the mindset of a trader should be. And the mindset of a trader should be simple. probabilistic that not always I'm going to execute trades, they are going to come out positive, because we all know you can have everything right in your confluences and you take that trade and the market goes against you. So that having such a mindset, it's going to help you not to over get emotional when you open certain trades and the market takes you out. That will help you avoid that, having that urge to revenge trade. Anything can happen in the market, guys. The best thing you can do is to have risk management, to know that even if a trade goes against me, I know I'm not completely wiped out from the market. Ahmed, thank you. Guys, when you ask a question and I don't see it, please ask again. I have to also log in on the chat because I have to secure these entries. We all know that we are here to move the market, so you can always ask again. What happened? Hi, Nick B. This you get tension or fear when you. It is natural, guys. That honestly, it is always there. It's just that the more you really look in, it doesn't be like a beginner. Because the way I used to fear the market as a beginner, it's not the same. But come on, guys, we are dealing with. I don't think there isn't any trader who is on a real account that is completely emotionless. It is natural, and it is because we are dealing with real accounts, so you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, sometimes some trades they hit hard, sometimes some trades they hit home. Yeah, but that's all part of trading. It's only that these days I don't fear the markets the way I used to fear at the beginning when I was still a fresh trader, to be honest. Those days were crazy. They were so crazy. Oh my goodness. This was really close. Why did it take me out? That emotion is always there, guys. It's always there as long as you are on a real account. Just the more you lock in, you learn how to control it. That's one thing I can say. You just learn to control your emotions a little bit. It's good to know I'm normal when my heart is pumping. I mean, okay, to be honest, I skipped that phase whereby I don't think my heart, because I remember when I was starting out to trade, I would execute a trade and run away from my PC. I mean, you guys, I don't know if you have been there, where you open a trade and you're so scared you run away. By the time you come back, you want to see if it really moved in your direction or not. Crazy days. Now, honestly, I control that, because now I just wait. Like I always tell you, oh my god, where are my cells taken out? Like I told you, now we can always control what's we can control everything before you open a trade. But the moment you really execute a trade and you cannot control anything, so you just have to wait and see what happens after execution. But before execution, you have options to control your emotions and wait for a perfect entry. But after execution, there is nothing you can do. You just have to wait and take in whatever comes out of that trade. So that is a mindset I have, and it really helped me so much with not having not it helped me reduce my emotions of executing trades, and you pray for them. Guys, have you ever prayed for a trade? Tell me. Have you ever prayed for a trade? For it to move in your direction? You're the best, and I tell back in all five. Awesome. You guys are crazy. I prayed, then the account was blown out in less than a minute. Oh, good. I always tell you it. By the way, when it comes to blowing an account, the highest you can go before you blow an account is 5 minutes. But most of the accounts are blown in less than a minute, and that's how you know that. Most of the times, to blow an account, it's not about actually entries. It's about you over risking or failing to control your emotions. So if you try to build some discipline around it, you can control that. It's very normal for a trader to take a few losses from the market because losses are part of this game, but to completely completely wipe out your account, that is a sign that you lack market discipline. I'm only saying this from my own personal experience because that was happening to me. My biggest challenge, I'm always waiting for confirmation and I always up jumping out late. Just keep on being consistent. That's one thing I can like, guys, these things you're sharing with me, I've gone through them. I have moments whereby I saw an opportunity, I hesitated to execute. I hesitated to execute the entry. Then I saw a single candle is already heading in my direction. Then you try to chase the market with it, but the market takes you out because you entered late. But it just gets better the more you keep on practicing. Because if you see, we all know in the market there are some moves that are going to keep on repeating themselves. So if you keep on consistently showing up, you will learn that you will start seeing these moves consistently, and with that fear of execution, somehow it's going to go. Because those are the things that honestly I just had to master by just being consistent, showing up every day. I had to learn those things. Dang. My buys are truthful. You're right. Ah. Yeah, honestly, psychology, trading psychology is the hardest thing to master, but the more you really, there are some things that you're going to keep learning by just being consistent. Honestly, consistency, it's one thing that is going to help you with most of the things, and the biggest thing it's going to help you with, it is the fear of the market. Because if you're doing something every day, somehow you get used to the markets and you stop fearing the markets. Guys, I have a big pending list for the donation since I didn't really trade just yesterday night. So we are gonna take it from here tonight. So if you're ready for the donations, I wanna see you comment ready because in a few we are gonna get into them. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready for the donations. We get into them right away. Ready, 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 ready. Someone comment ready. We get into the donations. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Getting money. I eat and testing the market. I'm getting done. But the market is really okay. It's really moving well. We can really get moves. David, good to see ya. Carl, Prescott, good to see ya. Blair, you're ready. Cedric, you're ready. Just good. Serena, Nalarn. All right. Guys, let me first get this continuation trade. The market is really trending upwards, making series of higher highs and higher lows. Solid bullish market. So let us first secure these buys here. Wait, dang. The market really played me here because what is this? Let me add the buys. Mother Shiro. Mother Shiro. Feel chicken close to me, Shiro. This is a pullback entry, so all pullback traders, traders that love getting those crazy pullbacks. This is for you. This is for you. Shame where we're supposed to be. Pullback traders, this move is for you. Crazy. You know, when I was starting out to trade, I first focused on getting continuation trades. Then as I kept on improving, that's when I kept on changing, adding pullback trades. But at first it was only continuation trades. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We're here to learn, so feel free to ask any trading question. Tell me, how has your day been? Share with me your trading experience. How was your trading session? Whatever you are to give me, something that I never had, something that you never seen. Mm. All my trades, I execute them based on price action strategies, and the indicator I'm using, I use them with the default settings. Guys, I'm okay. I'm okay. Let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight. Oh, I guess I guess you. I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope. What can I say? Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby. It's me do me da 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 da. Yeah, okay. You need to get done at work. Come on. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to know. When others say I need you, when I support you, shall I glass it through? If you're right to you, I'll still choose you. But now you need to get down. Whenever you're looking at your charts, one thing that should be going on in your mind is first of all your strategy, price action. I'm always asking myself, which market am I dealing with? Which market condition am I dealing with? And that is the first question you should ask yourself. You have to first know which market you are in. Are you in a bullish market? Are you in a bearish market? The other thing is asking yourself, is market structure confirming if it's a bullish market? Is it confirming it's being a bullish market? If it's a bearish market, is market structure confirming it's a bearish market? Then you start asking yourself, where is the market most likely to head? If you can tell that the market is most likely to go down or most likely to go up, then you execute in that anticipation. All right, let us first secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey. And I play to pay. I grew up with Dre face. I done see the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry on my face, they might have called me on a crazy day. But you niggas thinking trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. I'm using the indicator with the default settings. Guys, you're ready for our first participant, James Trader. And they need two items, so let's get them. Girls on girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls on girls. Yeah, girls on girls where I'm from. My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't trying to be after shit, but still on the girls in the gym. I'm working surgery. I'll pay for that my church. You can imagine, don't be sure. We're surely looking into attempts for James, so let's see how it goes. I may come, I may go, I don't know. Interesting. Our first attempt is in, so let's see how it goes. I'm expecting more selling momentum, and looking at this Marabuzo candle here, this is a clear sign that there is momentum coming up. Okay. Girl, me too. Girls on girls on. Girls on girls on from you. Girls on girls on. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Yeah, we are here to learn traders. So feel free to ask any trading question. We just need one more attempt to lock in for gems. And sellers are still really dropping this market down. See if we can get any more moves. But I can't touch it up or keep my thought. Guys, let me still type congratulations to James Trader. 2 attempts are in. 2 attempts are in. I want to see you type congratulations. Type congratulations. Never had a feeling like that. Don't want to hear sad songs anymore. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. Only when I sing your song, cause your song got me feeling like that. Move on to our next silers. And now we wake up, kissing on a group of girls, and then we make love right there on your best friend's couch. Sellers are into something. The market is still bearish, guys. The market is still bearish. And the easiest way you can tell a bearish market is when it's continuously taking out the lows and maintaining the highs. Yeah, so let's see if sellers are still dropping this down, down, down. My bias is still bearish until I see the market pulling back, taking out a high with a candle closure. From there, I'll shift my bias to a bullish market. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Don't hear my songs anymore. Cause your song got me feeling like that. Only when I hear love songs, I find my heart up in this place tonight. Cause your song got me feeling like that. 3 attempts for Silas. Someone comment locked in, and I need you guys locked in so that if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Feel free to also ask any trading question. We are here to learn, guys. We are here to learn. This is a trading assembly. We are always locked in to learn, locked in to catch up, and locked in to get these donations. Alright, I can see you guys have locked in. So let us move these markets. 2 more attempts to go. Joshua, you're locked in. Casper, you're locked in. Ahmed, Mohammed, you're locked in. John Hilla, we've been online. This is our second attempt. Oh my goodness, sellers have played me D. What the hell? I was really anticipating the market to continue up. I'm sorry about that, Silas. I'm sorry about that. Next time better. Sorry about that. We've been online. If you want to be part of the donations, we'll move on to our next Covian. This market is on to something. It's been giving us structure, clear structure. This is the best structure to trade, honestly. Yeah, I would honestly thrive so much in a market with clear structure than consolidated structure. But if you really struggle with getting clear structure, the easiest way you can do that is by just mapping out anything that seems like a high or a low to you. Once you map them out, it's going to be easier for you to know which one is right or wrong, because as the market is moving, you will easily tell that this is a stronger point compared to this. And once you can get those valid points or those valid strong highs and valid strong lows, then the market is, trading wouldn't be so hard, especially identifying market structure. We've been all night. Just first attempt is fully locked in now. I'm sitting pretty fast. Fire down the night shade. This is a continuation trade. That's why I'm taking these cells here, and they are locked in. You can see the market tried to pull back, didn't take out any high, and it gave us a bearish confirmation. This was enough for me to take the sales, and that's how it should be. So we have a break of structure to the downside. And we all know after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. Sometimes it happens immediately, sometimes it doesn't happen immediately. All you have to do is to know and wait for confirmations for you to take either a continuation trade or a pullback trade. Sellers are still dropping this market down. Someone comment down in the DM, because it seems like sellers is where they're taking this market. But we are gonna wait and wait for a good move, because that's how we do it here. You trade confirmations, don't just single candlestick patterns. You trade confirmations in key areas. Let me see that. Congratulations to our participant. We have already the target. Let me see type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything was a participant right away. I know that I didn't like me, but every day. I want to see more congratulations to our participants. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Take your whole life when you put the life to it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. We move on to Brave Vento. Could have stopped at Brave. Anyways, we move on to Brevento. Suddenly, love seriously, we got dirty traps and we got bills to pay. Half our friends and our enemies. In the city where the sun is shining. You know, I just wanna leave tonight. And come with me singing. Run away, love. Sellers are dropping this market. Whatever they are onto, they're really dropping it down. So as a trader, I'm not going to go against that trend. I'm going to just follow that trend. We all know a trend is your friend. Didn't lie. Okay, this is where trend following gets you. Second attempt is in, locked in. Ever since we was on a dream it all. Dedication. For the money I'm serving. Everywhere. If you fall with it, put your hands to the side. Guys, let me see type congratulations to Brevento. When I dream it all, ever since I was young, they said I will be nothing. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. 3 attempts are in. 3 attempts are in. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Yeah, we made it. Yeah. scream that we made it. Yanniga, graduation. Everything goes to the participant right away. Big ring, champagne. Guys are crazy. Super Bowl. Chapter lifestyle. So you guys want me to marry you, not the other way around. Come on. Come on. See on TV, sensational train. They said I will be nothing. Alright, guys, let us wish luck to our next participant, Hadi. Hardy. Yeah, guys, wish luck to our next participant. Just one single attempt. Just one attempt to lock in. So let's get this. Season change. Oh my goodness, what are sellers doing to me? Look at this crazy momentum. Damn. Guys, let us refund and try again. We all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let's do that. Buyers are onto something, so let us get this run with them. Oh my god, come on. I don't want to see any sellers here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry about this, Hadi. Damn. I feel like this is a trade where I don't like. Why you execute your trade and the market takes you out. Crazy. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Next time better. Two attempts to go for Kingsmail. Let's see how it goes. All right, it is in. It's in. One more to go. This is some good momentum here, guys. Are you seeing this? Let me see you type congratulations to Kingsmill, guys. Two attempts are in. This is what I love. This is what I love. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant, guys. You'll be left in the dark unless I step by you. There is sunflower. Give me there for you. Give me a reason to go. Every time you're walking out, I can hear trying to turn around. Fighting for my past and it got back down. Let's just start by you. And let's just start by you. Kingsmail, you're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. If you want to be part of the participants, it's simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. And it should be added on the queue for the participants for tonight. We move on to Marcy. Let us Shifana and try again. Our first attempt is taken out. Let us Shifana and try again. Ifamawo. I'm expecting buyers in this zone more, so let us take these buys here. And you can see this crazy Marabuzo candle. Like I always tell you, Marabuzo candles show momentum. So the moment I see it in a key area, that is a sign that there's going to be crazy momentum coming up. So I just wait and take the direction I anticipate momentum to be coming. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Second attempt is in. a little dirty as she hold my hand.
Shorty a little body, shorty a little old thing, and shorty got the shiny.
Shorty be catching mood swing.
Every time I fuck with her, and I keep it on the ground. Cause I don't get sense. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
Malio Mama Nursey. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. Tell me, how was your trading session? Do you have any traders that locked in some profits? That locked in some crazy moves? Okay, guys, let me see type congratulations to Ashford. And you know how we do it, everything goes. The participant right away, so let's do it. Just one attempt for Arden. Guys, wish our participant luck. This is a continuation trade, so all traders that love taking trades that are in line with the trend, this is how we do it. This is how we lock in those trades. Let me see type congratulations to Aiden. We are really cruising well, to be honest. We are really cruising so well. So let me see type congratulations to Aiden. When I get my Grammy. She my pool thing.
Shorty got the shiny. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with her, I know it on her cover. And I get it on the cover. Cause I don't get sent up.
My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Come on, come on. I want to see more congratulations to our participant, guys. We are still here, guys. So if you want to donate, please do. Please do. We're still here. So Nick B, if you want to donate today, I'm still around. So feel free to do. You surely be added on the queue. And if you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You surely be added on the queue. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I usually love sleeping on alone. Now it's time around, bring a friend to show. If we ain't really gonna sleep at all, you ain't gonna catch me with them sneakers. In the city, I'm a young god. That pussy kill be so vicious. My God, white be in my pocket. Give me better than the you're welcome, D. You're welcome, Aiden. I say often. Often. Baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Infatuated by the face that is. She wanna ride inside the G-Class gray man. Got her on, she leave that nigga like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need a change pattern. She is having that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a you can have it and it don't matter. I'm never sour, I'm just smoking something much louder. If I do this every day, I said often. That's not let me touch you up the way, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often. I enroll. Of course, guys, if you took part in the donations, it is simple. You can you're gonna be seeing your name on the queue. Of course, the queue is still long for tonight, so we are still moving. All you have to do is to sit back and wait. You're gonna be added on a queue. All you have to do is to wait. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I say often. 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 Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. So you have to know that. I mean, that's how it should be. That's how it should be. As long as you sent in your donations, you surely be added on the queue. All you have to do is to wait. It is long, but your name is surely there. Carl, good to see ya. Cedric, Grayson, David. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Tell me how has your trading day been? How has your day been, guys? I really had a great day. Kind of slow, but we are moving. Can I go where you go? We made the room. Hey. Guys are interesting, to be honest. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. Close. Lover. I take this magnetic force over mine to be mine. Bosco, good to see ya. Good to see you. I'll be over dramatic and drunk to mine. Maybe cable. Tell you a see. Well, we move on to our next Voltari. So, guys, I need you to wish luck to our participant. Just 5 attempts for him. One is already in, and we're having momentum in our direction already. Nasib, good to see you. World Studio, good to have you. Good to see you all. Do you have any traders that blew their accounts today? Honestly, I know that the most common days traders end up blowing accounts weekends and Mondays, because we all know the reason for the weekend. They be wanting to cruise. I don't understand when someone says they look beautiful today. I'm always beautiful, guys. Not just today. But anyways, thank you, thank you. To life. So let me like 3 more attempts to go for our participants. So let us lock them in. Ivy, can I participate today? Of course, Nick B, you can. You can. I mean, we are still here, so we are still here. You can always join the queue. We are still moving these markets and we are so locked in. Damn, look at this crazy momentum from buyers. Where did it come from? Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. That was some crazy movement from buyers. It invalidated my sales. Sorry about that. Next time better. Next time better, but that was some crazy momentum. No more. La 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 me like you do. If you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description for all those that are asking. What are you waiting for? Let us lock in more attempts for our participant, Lofi. What are you waiting for? And let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking so. Honestly, the market is really volatile, but we are gonna try to survive in it because we are here to move it. We are here already locked in. We have to just keep moving. And final. Always get to prettier, final, richer, wiser. We still be designer. Always get to prettier. All right, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do the... I want to see more congratulations to Lofis. I want to see more congratulations. I'll never hide her. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. What is your strategy? My strategy is to keep it simple. Ah. My strategy is to keep it simple and show up in the market because why not? And it is pure price action. And when it comes to pure price action, I look at first understanding the market condition am I dealing with. Am I in a bullish market? Am I in a bearish market? Am I in a consolidating market? It's easier to deal with the market that you already know what it is. It is already moving so well into our anticipated direction. 4 more attempts to go. The other thing I look out for with my strategy is understanding market structure. Market structure will confirm for you if you're in a bearish market or a bullish market based on series of higher highs and higher lows for a bullish market and series of lower highs and lower lows for a bearish market. And it also shows you those turning points where the market will get into a continuation or a reversal. We all know the market moves in a corrective way, so it is market structure that will be showing you those ways. And I refine my entries with candlestick patterns in key areas. So let us look in 4 more attempts. Killing me so. Killing me so.
Till I met this girl named Brenda. On my shot, she did true back to send. Girl, you don't make it bad, man, so oh, Brenda, make me feel the type of way. Oh, Brenda, love me from a man away. Got me feeling cool like a Jerry Holloway. Get the active fame, fine girl, I even the joke. Tell me one picking.
Ni hao. Nola, ni hao. My grand, good to see ya. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Sellers are really moving this down. Okay, let's see if we are going to be getting some crazy momentum from them. I want to be your man. Oh. Okay, we locked in these cells and they are in a plus already. So this is a bit of first understanding the market you are in, because it's going to be easier for you to identify where a continuation is most likely to happen or a reversal. Mapping out the most recent highs and the most recent lows in the market and mapping out the most recent market structure for a price action trader. Those key points are going to direct you to know if the market is either moving up to take out a high or moving down to take out a low, or trading in between those key points. You can easily tell and you know what to do.
Whether a slow one, whether a fast one. You didn't listen to my happy and my sad songs. Now you're the reason I can never have a bad song.
You know it, bad girl.
Now all of them you like, you know you will choose one.
Every time I see you, I see goosebumps.
And you love you to show to me too strong. I just wanna say thank you, and
Yes, I love you.
I cannot do it without you. Yes, you, yes, you. I just wanna say thank you, and yes, I love you, and I cannot do it without you. Yes, you, yes, you. Oh,
Two more attempts to lock in. Casper, what do you mean? Oh, this is what I love. It's already moving in our direction. These are the traits that I love. Where I execute and they immediately run into our direction. Always, not forever. Thank you, and I love you. Yeah. Just wanna say thank you, and I love you. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations, guys. Elohim curse. 5 attempts are in. Because why not? Purely following our strategy. I need to see more congratulations. Hassan, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Yeah, just said fast, looking like a princess. Kissing makes everything I love. Some days you feel so good. If you want to understand the body that it came in. Yeah, guys, enjoy. I mean, you're getting into it. One more to go for Luminex. One more to go. This is a continuation entry. So let's see how it closes. Can see structure is bullish. I'm taking this bias because of that. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Dang. Honestly, I didn't expect it to turn out like this. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Next time better. The platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options, and there's a link down in the description for it. So if I do have a Signal group, and if you want to join the Signal group, it is simple. Create an account with my link, write to me via Telegram with proof, and I'll surely add you to the Signal group. I love you so much, guys. Good night. We are going to be here tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly. Every night we are always All the remaining participants for tonight, I'm going to start with you tomorrow. All you have to do is to lock in, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Love, much love from here. Guys, stay locked in for life. Bye.